Ratchet. Come in.
Okay, to get to Nefarious though, I think I need the upgrade.
Well, I'll be Scrunch's uncle. Where'd you come from?
There's no time to explain. We need to stop Nefarious
So,
from reaching the
let's
clock. We're on our way to the
get the
station
Zoni
now.
here.
You have to find a way to stall him.
Way ahead of you, Ratchet. In fact, I'm further undercover than I've ever been before. Ever. In fact, when we get home, let's never talk about this again.
We will meet you outside the station. Ratchet and Clank out.
Whoa, that's a high jump. Okay. Failed. We need to grab these. No. Fudge. Okay, let me try. Oh, did it. I failed pretty bad. Oh well. I'm going to bet that I need to fall down here. Also, Clank now glides. I don't know if it does anything. Oh, all dead. Didn't even notice. Oh damn! I need. I need. Whoa. Okay. There it is. Okay, let me go down. Okay, so now I think I need to wait a bit so that I reach the place that I need to go. Might take a while. The buzz blades are almost leveling up to the final upgrade. Okay, it's the next one, right? These things could be faster, couldn't they? Another thing that we can do as Clank is that, like in the previous games, we can high jump. Though our jump basically is the same as a high jump. And we can do the long jump. But I don't think we can change Clank, can we? Oh yeah, it didn't say because I accidentally entered here, but we got the Captain Ratchet skin for having quest for booty. Cinematics, concept art for quest for booty. Okay, but what do I want? Inventory. I don't think that as Clank I can do. Oh, I have new things. Upgrade. Might as well have an upgrade. As Clank, I don't think I really have. Items, gadgets, weapons. Yeah, we can change Clank. I don't want to use this weapon, I want the buzz blades. My trustworthy buzz blades. Oh, finally got to the last.
Congratulations! You've just upgraded to Doom Blades. Each blade now packs an explosive pyrocytic punch.
My dear Doom Blades, welcome home. Come here, dear Zoni. Though Zoni were supposed to be invisible, weren't they? And then all of a sudden Ratchet is able to see them. I don't know. Wait, what?
Spawn, pardon the intrusion, but
Don't I need an upgrade?
asked me to let you know there's a new tournament opening up here at the Battleplex. Max identified.
Yeah, I need an upgrade.
Just drop by the Portho sector and you're looking to pick up some,
But I don't still have it.
Lethal ion satellites to take the land station perimeter.
How many zonies do I need? Oh shit, I need 3 zonies. Ah, fuck, doodles. I don't care, just... Here's a Zoni. Well, it's Zoni collecting time. I was certain that I only needed that upgrade. I am failing. Dude. Dude, go. I'm going to try going real fast. Didn't work as I expected, but I did manage to pass. Oh shit. No, fuck. Oh my god. Oh well. "70 buzz blades to kick some ass." Oh, I have quite a good amount of bolts. That's awesome. Oh, what the? Flying fuck. All over again. No, I don't think it's not all over again, but it's... Oh, okay. It's from this one. Good thing. Oh, come on, it takes so long. No! Fuck, why did I jump? Okay, there's the Zoni. With this one, I need only 2 more. This one I already got the Zoni. Zoni is right there, and I need to go through a big... This is the only way, right? Why the hell does it even have teleports? Wait, where was the one that I came from? No, I'm lost. I think I'm heading that way. Freaking bastards. Okay, I'm big now.
We mean you no harm.
Here's the zone. Now I only need one more. Freaking finally. I have a busy life. I don't have time to be gathering zonies. This one doesn't have a zoni, does it? No, it's a mod. Okay, I got it. I don't want to see where the zoni is. No, fuck. I saw it blinking and even seeing that I jumped like a retard. Hmm. Hmm. Come on, faster. Oh, there's Nefarious ship in a strange position. Okay, luckily it's over. I'm hoping so. Yeah, I think the Zoni is there. And hopefully the Zoni collecting is over. I mean, over in a whole game. Yeah, we need this to destroy the things in Nefarious' ship. See? Let's land on him, on it.